Hi everyone, welcome back to Brady's Motors. Now, for this video, we're going to be picking up on the Mito. Now, remember in the last video, we tackled the bodywork, made it look a little bit cleaner. And then at the end of the video, I said it was going to be going in for its MOT. Well, that MOT has now happened. Unfortunately, it did fail the MOT, but the only things it failed the MOT on was the exhaust blow. Now, I have looked under this already just to see kind of what was causing that. There is a hole in the center box, so we're going to be tackling that today. And the headlights. It's failed the headlights on because they are a bit misty and also they're aiming a little bit too low. But I have got two new headlights, so we're going to be tackling those today as well, getting those replaced. So let's get to it, shall we? Hi everyone, welcome back. Day 2 on the Mito. So unfortunately I had to abandon ship when I was doing the underside of the car because the heavens opened and I was getting absolutely sopping wet. So day 2, going to move on to the headlights and see if I can get those replaced. I'm going to see if I can do it without removing the bumper, just loosen it and see if I can get my hands down there to undo the bolt. So let's get to it.
A few moments later.
few days later, I have just picked the car up from the MOT centre. So as you remember, it failed on the light and the exhaust blow on the previous MOT it went in for a few weeks ago, and I can successfully say it has passed. So for me, the fact that it has passed an MOT and I have done the work to get that done, that's a win for me. So there we go. So what happens next with this car, that's yet to be decided. Likelihood is we probably will keep it for my daughter. But there we have it. A run-in drive-in with a 12-month MOT Alfa Romeo Mito that I bought from Copart that I have fixed myself. Now, I say I fixed myself. There was a couple of bits that I did need help with. I did the lights and everything myself, but there was one wing nut that just wouldn't undo on the driver's side in the wheel arch. So a local mechanic did come around and help me get that bolt out so I could replace the driver's side lights. So shout out to Wheelie Worthy for that, much appreciated. And then when it went in for its MOT, for one reason or another, the horn decided it didn't want to work. So I had that replaced because it was a very, very cheap cost. But other than that, I've done everything myself. I patched up the exhaust with some Holtz bandage, and I replaced the headlights myself. So to me, I'm happy with that. So there we go. That brings 2025 to an end for the Brady's Motors YouTube channel. So just want to say thank you to everyone that has supported me this year, everyone that has subscribed this year. I am going to be looking to do more content next year, keep everything going and try and do a video a month. So keep an eye out for that. But whatever it is you're going to be doing this festive period, I hope everybody enjoys it. Again, please do like and subscribe. It does mean the absolute world, and it does help with the algorithms pushing the videos out to other people. So there we have it. Until the next one, thank you ever so much. I wish everybody a good holiday and a happy new year. I'll see you in 2026. Bye bye.